Hey Room 14 families, I just wanted to give you guys a couple how-to videos on some of the strange strategies we've been using in class so that when you see your student using it at home, you can kind of see how it's done and help them out if they get stuck. So the first one I want to show you is the area model, and this is for multiplication. The key when we're showing these different strategies is that we're trying to make things visual for the students, for those visual thinkers, and then we're also trying to maintain the value of the numbers. So the algorithm, sometimes we lose the value of the number because we're doing kind of tricks to get the answer, where these strategies try to maintain that value. So I'll show you what I mean. With this 21 times 36, what we do is create an array where we first label the dimensions. So we have across the side here, we're showing 21. Each of these strips is worth 10. So we got 10, 20, and then there's 1. And across the top, we've got 36, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And then what we're going to do is fill in a rectangle in this space using these dimensions to help us break it up into parts. So I see a 10 here and a 10 here. So that space would be equal to 100, because 10 times 10 is 100. We're going to take this 10, multiply it by this 10 here. We've got another 100. Then we've got a 10 times 1. That's going to be 10, so we can fill that in with a 10 strip. So we're creating a rectangle to show the area as a representation for a multiplication problem. Next, we're going to just keep going down the line. 10 times 10, another 100. This 10 times this 10 is another 100. And then this 10 times 1 is 10. We're going to keep going to the next group of 10. And students get good about making sure they're multiplying each group of 10, each dimension, to get their area in the middle. And then as you get to the end, you get different sections. So this one would be a 10 times 6. So you're going to get 60, or 6 groups of 10. And then another 6 times 10 is another 60. And then this corner, oh, I forgot the 10 right here. And then this corner is going to be 6 times 1 is going to get you 6. So then what the student needs to do is make sure that their area is a rectangle, because we're finding the area of that rectangle there. And then add up the area of their rectangle. So it's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Plus, there's 6 tens plus another 6 tens is 120. Plus these 3 tens is 30. Plus those 6 ones. So when you add all that together, you get 720, 750, plus 6 is 756. So that is one example of the area model. That's kind of our broken down into every step area model. Next, I'll show you an efficient area model that we've been practicing in class.